Welcome back. Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has assured to regularize existing illegal constructions falling within Panchayat limits, but properties under litigation will not be legalized. Minister also said that if needed, Panchayat laws will be amended to suit the purpose. Parsekar also assured to fill around 34 posts of Panchayat secretaries within a month.
Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar is on the Taluka-wise Panchayat tour. Minister was at Sange on Friday and this was his 12th tour. He said existing illegal constructions within Panchayat limits will be regularized. Process will take almost 3 years.
So illegal construction as a prashna asa. Illegal constructions vis-a-vis legalizing the existing illegal structure. Simplification of construction procedure. The construction करपा खातीरचो प्रोसिजर आमी जर सिम्प्लिफाय केलो जाल्यार इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाची संख्या ही कंट्रोलान येतली. प्रोसेस जाल्ले आसतात पूण जी लिटिगेशनाक आसात दुसऱ्याच्या जमनीत बांदलेले आसात ते लिगलायज जावचे ना. लिगलायज आमी टप्प्या टप्प्यांनी करूं शकतले आनी ह्या 3-3.5 वर्सांच्या काळात आमकां ती करपाची आसात. ताच्या खातीर लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाचो वापर जातलो. आवश्यक असल्यार पंचायत कायद्यान बदल करचो पडटलो, अमेंडमेंट करचो पडटलो.
Post of Panchayat secretaries on Taluka level will be filled up soon.
आमचे सेक्रेटरीचे पोस्ट 34 टेंडर हे जाल्ले आसात, नोटीस एडवर्टायजूय जाल्ली आसा. साधारणपणे प्रत्येक पंचायतीक 190 पंचायतीक 190 सेक्रेटरी अधिक प्रत्येक तालुका स्थानाचेर 2-3 असे ज्यादा सेक्रेटरी धरून आमी 34 वयर एक शॉर्टफॉल पडटा ते आमी सेक्रेटरीज पोस्ट सँक्शन जाले, एडवर्टायज जाली आणि येणाऱ्या काळात म्हाका दिसता म्हयन्याभरात तांची भरती जातली.
Mayur Naik from Sange.
Keep the Panji parking project file in abeyance till the assembly session. This alleged remark by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has upset Panji Mayor Surendra Furtado. He has demanded that the CM should revoke his remark on the file and should allow the pay parking project on priority in the capital city.
Little difficult to start the pay parking. With his remark, he put the file to the Deputy Chief Minister, who is the Urban Development Minister, and finally to our MLA of Panjim and the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. It is shocking to note that the MLA of Panjim, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, has put a dissenting note on the file saying keep this file in abeyance till the assembly is over. This pay parking has to be done immediately. The Chief Minister should immediately revoke his comments on the file and tell the collector, go in for notification and we will afterwards tender it. I want to do the same thing what has happened in Pato. See the peace and sanity in Pato now. Discipline. Why it can't happen in Panjim? Why the MLA is scared of whom? Give CCP Junta go down. Give CCP PWD garage. Use CCP Masanda Morin ground so that we can have pay parking, multi parking system.
SC and ST certificates for South Goa will be available online for verification from 30th November. South Goa Collector Andy Agarwal, while addressing media, said that ongoing works at Margao kabrasthan will be over before Eid.
30th of November, all SC and ST of the South Goa district will be tried to provide the caste certificate, and not only try to provide, this certificate will be uploaded on the website. So in case any problem happen anytime they require, they can easily verify it. Easily obtained, they are not required to come to the Mampradar office or Deputy Collector office or Collector office to take the caste certificate. Expected the progress of the work or the contractor promise he will complete before Eid. That is only simple thing. Before Eid he will complete the work as per the desiredness of the user.
Collector also informed that the union government has granted aid and appliances to differently abled students.
we decided such cases should be referred to the Child Welfare Committee. Today, LMCO, the organization of Government of India, also joined with us and given the assurance that whatever aids and appliances for differently able children are required, they are going to provide as per the guidelines of SSA free of cost.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.